In today's video, we'll be talking about how we lit up these scenes using simple 3-point lighting techniques. So without any delays, let's get directly into it. This is a very fast-paced set. This is how our entire lighting setup looks like. And now let's go ahead and see how the shot looks like with house lights on. So there we can see it's quite bland. Let's turn on our key light on. This is a Forza 300B attached onto a lantern. Now with the lantern on, I'm able to shape my light exactly where the spill is going to be. I'm also controlling the spill of the light by using skirting around the lantern. Now let's have a look at the backlight. We have a Nanlite Forza 60B as a backlight. This is directional to exactly where I want the backlight to hit. Now next is the side fill, which is a very important light as it fills up and hides all of the shadows on the actors' faces. This is also used as a backlight for some of the other shots we have done on the same scene. You can see how it gives a nice edging on the character's side, but also increasing the presence of her. PavoTube II Mark II is used as an artificial lamp in this scene. And finally, for texture, we've used the 60B with lens attachment with gobo on to be able to create shapes and patterns in the background. Here's the before and after with house lights and the lighting we have done. As you can see, there's a dramatic change. Now let's have a look at the lighting diagram on how the entire lighting was set up. Finally, let's have a look at our shots combined together. Thanks for joining me in another series of Light It Up. My name is Rah Sharma. Hope you enjoyed this series. If there's any particular lighting setups that you want to see, please don't forget to message me directly. Like, subscribe and comment below, and do hit that bell icon so you can be notified when this next Light It Up video is available.